Hi everyone, very good evening. Today I am going to introduce about a powerful automation tool. Okay, that is nothing but N8N. Okay, so N8N is a node for node is a powerful workflow automation tool. So what N8N do? N8N is a workflow automation platform that uniquely combine AI capability with business process automation. Give technical team the flexibility of code with the speed in no code. Okay, so once you will get the space, so you are getting that overall. So people's raise multiple questions like that. What is the use of N8A? Why we are going to use the N8N? So N8N is very powerful application, powerful tool connected to 300 plus apps. Okay, it connect with the 300 plus app. Okay, no code is required, customer code when needed. Okay, so the main features means this is the main features. Okay, to connect that multiple apps without any codes, you can integrate of any codes, and for thousands of workflow has been provided for free. Okay, if you are logging newly, then it will give you for that 14 years of 14 days of trial, and they will allow you for thousands workflow you can create. Okay, so why we use N8? Okay, why we use N8N? So the purpose to use N8N is to eliminate the work. Okay, to eliminate the work, save hours, build automation without any code. Okay, so there is a great alternatives is a Zapier. Okay, so this is not required, but basically we are going to build a chatbot with the help of this new tool N8N. Okay, so we will go and click on this beautiful link. You will get that beautiful page. For a beginner, you are going to click on get start for free. You and once you will click on it, you will get a new pop-up page. You will fill all the details and logged in. Okay, after logging in, you will get a such kind of page. I already have an account, so I will just go and logged in. Okay, so today we are going to create a chatbots. So here you will see this such kind of interface. So you will to create the chatbot, you need to click on create workflow. Okay, then you will get such kind of uh, means speech. So here we will perform all the activities. So there is a personal icon, share with you whatever you want to share. There is a admin. Okay, there is a admin is there, template is there, and if you whatever the projects you wants to that name, then I am going to use that chatbot. Okay, so I am going to put the name as chatbot. So how chatbot will work? Okay, so I just given a name, so it has been set. So basically I am here telling you what we are going to use here. So we are going to use like one chat icons. There is a agent AI. In a agent AI, we will use that Gemini, Google Gemini API key. So it will help us to answer all the question which has been asked by user. So how we can quickly focus on that? So there is a plus icon, open node panel. You should have to go on that on chat message. Click on chat message, you will get such kind of page popped up. So nothing to worry, you just click on back to Converse, you will get such kind of interface. Once you will receive the such kind of interface, so and then you pass some message like hi, how are you? Okay, you pass some message. So you will see here when we pass the message, that logs has been cleared successfully, but we haven't received any outputs, means there is a no agents has been added. Okay, that's why we are not able to receive any answers. So to means to perform this activity and functionality, what we are going to use, you click on plus icon and we will add some agents. So AI agents. So once we click on agents, so you will see again the pop-up has been came and it is a back to canvas. You click on back to canvas, you will see wonderful icon, right? And there is an issue icons is also occurring. So to create the chatbot, so any models is required to connect with that chat model. We are going to use that Google Gemini model. So before going Google Gemini models, you require that API key. So how we are going to use? Go to that Google AI Studio and click on this Google AI Studio, then generate API key and create API key. For me, it's already generated. Okay, so you generate it and saved it in a text folder. So you just copy this API key. Okay, once you copy this API key, and you need to know like where we are going to use this API key. So then again go to that and link, then you click on chat models, search for Gemini, Google Gemini chat models. So see, for me its parameter is already added, but you guys, you should have to click on new credential and put that API key. So once you will add it, so you will get that message successfully added. So once you will add this one, for me it's already added. So I will go to back to canvas. So you can see there is a very beautiful icons has been created. You can fix it at as means whatever the position you want to put, you can put it here. Okay, so doesn't matter. This is the minus icon to decrease the icon, this is the plus for increase the icons. Okay, so how it worked previously when we work for the chat, so the green line has been popped up for the chat, right? And now you connected a agent. In agent there is a chatbot, there is a memory, there is a tool, right? There's chatbot, memory and tool. So generally what we can build with this n8n, we can build multiple things. Social media automation we can do, or you means automate the twitters. Okay, email alerting we can say, and we can send that email as well. WhatsApp and Telegram automation we can do, leader management we can do, we can pull the daily reports. So there are multiple features are there now here we can do, and we can perform that loop condition while doing. But currently we are creating a chatbot, so now we can focus on that. So see here, now you have asked the question previously, he haven't replied. Okay, so again I am going to ask the question, hi, how are you? Okay, and question mark. So what happened once you will do here? So see here, chat send that message to agent, and agent is asking the question to Gemini chatbot. So Gemini is answering with the help of API key, whatever the API key has been used by you. Okay, so now he replied, right? He replied with a beautiful answer, right? Hi, as a AI, I don't experience emotions and personal feeling. So such kind of answer you have received. Okay, so once you have received, so we require little bit of memory. There is a sample memory will be there. You will see like that what we are going to do. So memory generally there is a sample memory is already mentioned. You can see here simple memory to store the internet memory, so no credential required. Say they just given for the beginners. Okay, so what? So again we just added that one. So you can see here again the popped up come. So you just click on back to canvas and you can see here database has been added. You can fix as your means whatever the place you want to fix, you can fix it there. So tool is a tool. The use of tool means multiple things, like if you wants to pull some records like a daily basis trackers. Okay, so you can we on that time you can use the tools, or either this tools has been used for the connector the applications. Okay, so generally our agenda to be created chatbots. So see here, so again we will ask the questions, same questions we ask. Okay, again we same questions will ask. So he see here, first he went to agent AI, then asked the question and he allocated few of the memory, and you will see here the node has been successful. So agent is using the simple memory, Google Gemini and simple memory, right? Again you can ask the few questions like uh, Python program. Okay, basically I'm just normally asking, spelling is wrong, so ignore that one. So he has provided that few of the notes, right? So now you have already created a very beautiful means like chatbot, right? So how we will use it publicly? publicly, so you should have to double click on this. Okay, make chat is publicly. Okay, so once you will do publicly, you will get some link. Okay, now here I will put the name Rupesh. My name is Rupesh, and I am AI expert. Okay, so I just mentioned that and s- save it. So once you have did the changes, the yellow icons has been occurred. So you should have to save this one before doing anything. So you have successfully created the link. Okay, then you again go to the double click and copy this link, and you paste it over here another browser. So this link will not work. I will tell why it will not work. So this link is not work. This created an 404 error. So why this is created 404 error? Because this chatbot is inactive. So you should have to click on active and got it. Again, you refresh this page. Have you received that beautiful icons or not? So here you can see the name in everything has been mentioned, right? My name is Rupesh, I expert. If you ask like that, hi Rupesh, how are you? You ask that. So So, hello, appreciate you asking. I am a AI and don't have a name like Rupesh. I'm functionally perfectly and ready to assist you. How can I help you? Very nice. So, finally, we have built the chatbot. Whatever the questions you wants to ask, you can ask, and successfully you have built the chatbots. Thanks. Hopefully, you like this video, and this should be helpful for you and knowledgeable for you. And in upcoming we will create more video which is very knowledgeable for you guys. Okay, and which is helpful for me as well. Thanks everyone and have a good day. Bye bye.